Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Gauri and welcome back to G Lifestyle. Well, I am sorry for not uploading lately because I have not uploaded videos since last 3 months I guess. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm back now because I was not uploading because I was having my board exams and yeah, I was on a break from YouTube. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel, and we have crossed 100 subscribers. And it's a thing to upload about. So yeah, for today's video, first of all, if you remember my first two videos on YouTube were related, talk and sort of thing, like 17 things I learned at 17. So let me introduce myself if you are new. So my name is Gauri. So I'm also a blogger and I write online on Blogger. So yeah, you can check it out there also. And today I'm gonna talk about Sweet 16. Is it really that sweet? So about me, I am not 16 right now. I have crossed the age and I am like almost 18. So I thought like let's just make a video on this because there are many juniors of mine who are turning 16 or already are 16. So yeah, if you are watching this, then share it with your friends and all. So turning 16 is an exciting thing, right? Every teenager is like excited about his or her 16th birthday, like yes, I'm gonna celebrate it, it's my 16th birthday, I turned 16. Oh my god. I mean, you have the tag of calling yourself the sweet 16 thing, but is it really that sweet? Because this is not a bad age. It's not, I'm not saying it's a bad age. It's a very wonderful, it's a very beautiful period of our time. But there are many responsibilities come on your hand when you turn 16, being a student, it's obvious to take stress and getting frustrated at times, and you will not know that when you are like bursting out your anger, and then you will regret it later. Oh my god, I just did something wrong by bursting out my anger on this person or that person, whatever it is. But this age also helps us learn to cope up with things, how to cope up with this, how to cope up with stress, how to deal with frustrations and everyday situations like this. So yeah, that's what it is. And being a student, it's obvious. Like I remember I was also like getting stressed and frustrated at times, and I'm like that kind of student who gets stressed at like very small things. Like I have completed, suppose I have completed 5 assignments, and then I have I'm submitting it and submitting it at a high school, and now I'm getting another assignment, like more like the double the number or less the number, whatever the number is, doesn't matter. But it happens. I take stress very quickly, but now I have learned to cope with it, and I deal my situations like nicely. Just you have to be chill and stay calm during such times. But don't let it affect your heart or mind in any manner or any way, because it's just the basis of life. It These all things are like temporary, and it also tells you your potential. This age tells you where you actually are. This age tells you your caliber, what you can do and how much you can stretch your caliber. And yeah, you always learn new things, discover new things, start getting a skill. You can always cope with stress, like meditate for a time. Like you are working, you are pulling out all nighters in 11th or 12th grade, because there are a lot of works and assignments and whatnot. If you like wait for 2 minutes, like you keep your books, like you are like working and you have kept your book aside for 2 minutes just to meditate and stay calm, that doesn't make any difference. That 2 minutes of yourself, like being with yourself, won't like ruin your work or anything. In fact, it will help you make your mind fresh, and then you can start your work again. So when I was 16, I also did this mistake of like pulling all nighters for doing my assignments and homework and studying and all everything, like starting from like when I came back home from school, and then I start, like, I take a break of half an hour or one. Then I like start doing my homework. Then I study and then study for tests and do assignments and do MCQs and whatnot. I used to pull all nighters regarding to do complete my work, and I was like, I have to complete my work. Do this. I have to complete it anyhow at this night. I was like this, but this is wrong. You don't have to, like, rush yourself, and you don't have to push yourself to the limits where above your limit. You can always do that. That's good, but there's always a limit. You have to take care of yourself too. Or let any negative thoughts come your way, because there are very many things happening during this age, and negative thoughts also come our way. I am speaking my way because it had came my way. Yeah, but recently I have started reading this book. Wait, this book I have started reading, and it says that first of all, I would like to appreciate this book because it's a very nice book. It says, like, always, in the first chapter of this book, it's written, change your thoughts and you will change your destiny. It's actually true. You have heard a lot that universe always listens what we are speaking, and universe always gets it back to you. So that's what a thing is, and it's actually true, because you also always have to think good about yourself. Like, you have to be like, okay, हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. ऐसा नहीं बोलना कि नहीं होगा, मेरा तो इतना सारा बाकी है, मेरे को ये भी करना है, मेरे को मॉड्यूल भी करनी है, मेरे को होमवर्क भी करना है, मेरे को पढ़ाई भी करनी है, एग्जाम भी आ रही है. बस यार, बस ख़त्म. ऐसा सोचना ही नहीं है कि नहीं हो पाएगा. बस ठीक है, काम मिला है, हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूँगी. आई एम केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग इट. जस्ट से दिस टू योर सेल्फ. ऑटोमेटिकली आपका काम हो जाएगा. What I and when I learned this, I used to say it like, okay, I am like starting my work. I know I have this much work, like this much work today, and I am like, okay, starting my work. Okay, I'm doing this. This is done. Next, done. Others are, sometimes like they are like, कैसे होगा, इतना सारा वर्क है, आज का ही दिन मिला है, कल सबमिट करना है सुबह सुबह ही, कैसे होगा. ये सब थॉट्स आते हैं, मेरे को भी आए, बट आई डोंट लेट इट इंटरप्ट माई वर्क इन एनी मैनर. बिकॉज अगर ऐसा होगा तो आई विल लाइक टेक स्ट्रेस. देन आई विल थिंक ऑफ समथिंग टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट माई सेल्फ. देन आई विल स्टार्ट बिंज वॉचिंग एंड ऑल, एंड वो बाद में ना और ज़्यादा बर्डन हो जाएगा मेरे लिए, बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम कम रहेगा. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट माई वर्क एंड डू इट. Like, just do your work. If you all turning 16 this year, then sweet 16, happy sweet 16 to you all. And yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. I will say bye.